Do you have a cat at home? If you know what amazing creatures they are. Cats learn about the weather from their whiskers. They can tell if it is hot, cold, wet, or dry. Their whiskers also help them to find their way in the dark. Indoor cats like to play with balls. They also love to play with string. You can toss a catnip mouse and train your cat to bring it back for you. One of the best things about cats are their fur. They keep themselves very clean. They are soft and warm. Most cats like to be brushed and petted. They also like to sit on your lap. Many cats don't have a home. They're cold and hungry. You can adopt one from your local shelter. Then you can have an amazing creature on your own.